Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn Nepali Easily YouTube channel, where we break down common English words and phrases into easy to understand Nepali. In today's video, we are going to talk about the word to and how to translate it into Nepali. The word to is one of the most common words in English, and it can be used in many different ways. In Nepali, its meaning depends on the context. Let's dive into a few of the common uses. First, when to is used to show direction or movement towards something, it translates to tira, pronounced as tira, tira, or sometimes just ma. For example, he walked to the market. U बजारतिर हिँड्यो. ऊ बजारतिर हिँड्यो. Bazar means market. ऊ हिँड्यो means he walked. हिँड्यो means walked. Now next example. Example number 2. Another use of to. Now when we use to indicate a proposed or intention, like in order to, we translate it as ko lagi or ka lagi. For example, I came here to study. म यहाँ अध्ययन गर्नको लागि आएको हुँ. म यहाँ अध्ययन गर्नको लागि आएको हुँ. Another example, she went to the store to buy groceries. ऊ तरकारी किन्नका लागि पसलमा गइन्. ऊ तरकारी किन्नका लागि पसलमा गइन्. Next example, example number 3, to in infinitives. Another very common use of the word to is in infinitive verbs, like to eat, to go, or to speak. In Nepali, infinitive verbs are formed by adding nu to the root verb. So, to eat, khanu, to go, janu, to speak, bolnu. So, to recap, to as a direction is tira or ma. To as a purpose is ko lagi. And for verbs, it becomes part of the infinitive form like khanu for to eat. Now let's practice some more examples from my website. To in the context of propose. As we said before, when to is used to indicate purpose or intention, it can be translated as ko lagi in Nepali. This translation is used to express the reason for doing something. For example, I am studying to pass the exam. I am studying to pass the exam. म परीक्षा पास गर्नको लागि अध्ययन गर्दैछु. म परीक्षा पास गर्नको लागि अध्ययन गर्दैछु. In this example, ko lagi is used to indicate the purpose of studying. If you are still confused, don't worry. The more you practice using these translations, the easier it will get. That's all for today's lesson on how to translate to in Nepali. Let me know in the comments how you would use to in a sentence, and feel free to ask any questions if you need help. Thanks for watching Learn Nepali Easily, and see you next time. Keep learning and keep practicing.